Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. It is urged that the trial court, as also the appellate court, after appreciating the evidence in its true perspective, have rightly concluded that the plea of the divorce put forth by the petitioners, has not been proved, and that the form of divorce, that is, triple talaq, is null and void. Stop. I have gone through the judgments of both the courts below carefully and do not find any perversity in the findings of the fact returned by both the courts. Stop. Both the courts have concurrently held that the petitioner number one has failed to prove factum of divorce. Stop. That apart, looking to the divorce deed, both the courts below have rightly concluded that the form of divorce, that is triple talaq, in one go is null and void in view of the law laid down by Honorable the Supreme Court in case of Saira Banu and others versus Union of India and others, reported in JKLT 2017 Volume 4 S within bracket SC 1 stop para. I have no reason to differ with the aforesaid finding of fact recorded by the trial court and upheld by the appellate court. Stop. The bare perusal of the divorce deed relied upon by the petitioner number one by claiming that he had pronounced triple talaq on her in presence of the two witnesses. Stop. Since this form of talaq is not legally valid, as such, it cannot be said that by execution of the divorce deed and even pronouncing the talaq three times, the relationship between the petitioner number one and respondent number one as husband and wife has served and the marriage has come to an end. Stop. That being the position, the plea of the learned counsel for the petitioners that there was no domestic relationship in existence on the date of filing of application, is totally misconceived and cannot be accepted. Stop para. Equally untenable is the contention of learned counsel for the petitioners that both the courts below have not appreciated the evidence on record in proper perspective and have granted the relief to the petitioner number one arbitrarily. Stop. The evidence led by the petitioner number one, which includes her own statement as also the statement of her mother, Sarifa Akhtar, Sameer Iqbal Kaul, and Asadullah Lone, when read in entirety, do inspire confidence of the court. Stop. On the other hand, the evidence led by the petitioners, even if accepted to be correct on its face value, does not prove the case of the petitioners. Stop. There is no cogent evidence brought on record by the petitioners to prove the form of divorce, and even if it is assumed that the triple talaq allegedly announced by the petitioner number one had been properly conveyed to the respondent number one, yet it will not bring the domestic relationship between the petitioner and respondent number one to an end. Stop. At the cost of repetition, it may be stated that the triple talaq has been held to be void and incapable of severing the matrimonial relationship in an authoritative pronouncement of Honorable the Supreme Court in case Saira Bano within bracket Supra. Stop.